Hi, Dr. Whitney here with Empowered Life PC. A common complaint that we have or issues people come in with is some shoulder tightness and issues in their shoulders. So there's a wonderful exercise or stretching that I like to give them to hit all areas, the front, the underneath, and the back part, contributing to your shoulder issues. So to do that, you need a wall. And what we're going to start doing is you're going to take your hand and move it up the wall. You want to see how high you can get to your arm. If there's pinching, uncomfortableness here, you can bring that arm down to where you can bring it up and it does not give you any discomfort. So once you're here, there's going to be 4 moves that we're going to do. So the first move is to literally just bend your knees to basically distract that arm. So you're going to bend it enough to where you feel a nice little stretch in through here. So there, I've got a nice little stretch. And you're going to hold that stretch for a count of 30. 28, 29, 30. Then you're going to stand back up. And that was move number 1. Move number 2 is taking the leg that's in closest to the wall and taking a step forward, leaving that hand exactly where it has been. We are not moving our hand, so it stays put. And when we take that step forward, this causes a stretch in through the front lower portion here of our shoulder area. If you want a little bit more tension, you can take your hand kind of over your chest, your pec area, and kind of pull downward. You can get a little bit of a deeper stretch here for that to help with the pec. So you're going to count to 30 in this position for demonstration purposes. 28, 29, 30. Then you're going to come back to that original position you were in. So that was move number 2. Move number 3 is taking the same leg you just moved, but instead of moving it forward, this time we're going to take a step back, leaving the hand where it is. And you're going to get the stretch through the back part of and side of your lower portion of the shoulder area. This is getting those muscles that are deep up underneath. So again, you're going to hold this for a count of 30, 28, 29, 30. Now this time, instead of coming back into that first position, we're going to stay in move number 3. And for move number 4, we're going to slightly turn or twist our body in towards the wall to get an even deeper stretch. You may feel it actually move down in towards the hip joint. And you're going to find it right there it is, and you're going to count to 30. 28, 29, 30. Once you're done with that one, now you come back to that first position. Do not take your hand straight off the wall in the air. This is how you can hurt your arm. If you've done this appropriately, you've been here for a couple of minutes. So, in order to take your hand off the wall, we're going to take a side step, and then you're going to naturally just allow your hand to naturally fall down that wall to your side, and then you can shake it out. Once you're done with this side, then you would turn or move to the other side of the wall in order to work the other side. You can do this once, a couple times a day.